Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to get Terraria on your Android or iPhone and also on your computer for free. Absolutely legit. You will be able to download it for free, and it's the original version. It's not cracked or anything. So the first thing that you have to do is open a browser on your mobile phone and type terraria.tweakapp.org. This is the link. Go to this website, and right here you will end up on a secure and verified page, which you can check right here. And all you have to do is just enter your email, and which email you enter depends really on if you want to get the game on your Android or iOS or Steam device. So if you want to get it on your computer, enter your Steam email, but if you want to get it on Android, enter Google Play email, and iOS just enter your App Store email. So I'm going to enter my Google Play email and then click proceed. And don't worry, this website does not ask for your password. And right now it will add the game to my Google Play account, and I will not be downloading the app from this website. I will be able to download the game from Google Play securely. So this site only gives you the access to the game, so it's very reliable and safe website. And as you can see, we're almost done. Now this is the last step. This website just wants to make sure they're giving out free copy of the game to real players and not bots. So it says human verification, you're almost done. Click on the verify now button below to complete human verification. After verification, the game will be added to your App Store account instantly. So just click verify now. Okay, and right here it says complete a human verification by completing 2 free offers from the list below, such as quizzes, email, and app offers. Once you have completed human verification correctly, Terraria will be added to your App Store account instantly. You will need to download from Google Play, Apple Store, or Steam Store yourself. So as I said guys, this website only gives you the access to the game, and then you can download it for free from Google Play, Apple Store, or Steam Store, as it says right here. So all you have to do is just complete 2 offers, and as I said and you saw on my homepage, I already have the game. So the offers that I did, and you have to complete 2 of them, and every offer here is free, so you can complete any offer you want. I've completed a quiz and they do not check if the answer is correct, so I answered 20 questions with random answers, and that took me like a minute. And then I downloaded one app. So this one asked me to download and open an app for 30 seconds. Not this one in particular, but a similar one, something like this. So these apps ask you to download and open an app for 30 seconds. So it's very simple. 2 offers will take you no more than 2 minutes, and after that is done, you get the game and you just go and download it securely from an app store. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. The link is again terraria.tweakapp.org. Thank you guys for watching. If you have trouble verifying, there are a couple things you can do. The first one is you can try using this website on another phone, and if you still encounter problems, you can ask your friend to do it for you. But if you want me to do it for you, you can like this video, subscribe to my channel, and in the comment section write that you liked and subscribe, and I will add you the game, but you'll have to send me your email somehow. So just let me know in the comments below that you liked and subscribed, and I will contact you. But make sure you actually subscribe, because I'm doing this only for my subscribers. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!